I'm sat in the BMW M135i, is a Mercedes AMG A35, a Volkswagen Golf R, and next to that is Audi S3, though it's the saloon rather than the hatchback. But
So then what exactly happened? Well, the BMW M135i did the standing quarter mile in 13.5 seconds, with the Mercedes AMG A35 just behind, also crossing the line in 13.5 seconds. The Golf R took 13.6 seconds, followed by the Audi S3, which took 13.7 seconds to do the standing quarter mile. Interestingly, when we last ran an S3, a hatchback, it did a standing quarter mile time of 13.2 seconds. Now, the owner of that car claimed it wasn't tuned, but looking at this result that we have now with the standard car from Audi, we think it may have been.
now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Cars are in comfort mode and automatic. Oh, the Audi got me. Golf was just, nowhere. Down. Oh, has more torque than the others. It has 50 Newton meters more torque, though it is heavier. You know, if you're just driving along, I'll tell you what, let's just do another rolling race. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. BMW for the win.
तो वीडियो देखने के लिए आपका धन्यवाद. थैंक यू सो मच.